Underwater research stations. Underwater research stations are among the most remarkable innovations in marine science and engineering. They allow scientists to live and work below the ocean's surface for extended periods, offering unprecedented opportunities to study marine ecosystems, climate change, and underwater geology in their natural environments. One famous example is Aquarius Reef Base off the coast of Florida. Situated 60 feet underwater, Aquarius enables researchers to study coral reefs and the effects of human activities on marine life without returning to the surface daily. This close proximity allows for continuous observation, crucial for understanding environmental impacts over time. Building these stations requires overcoming immense engineering challenges. They must withstand significant water pressure using durable materials like steel-reinforced concrete and titanium to resist corrosion and stress. Life support systems inside maintain air quality, temperature, and humidity, supplying oxygen and removing carbon dioxide to create a safe environment. Stations like Aquarius also have docking systems for underwater vehicles, allowing researchers to explore deeper sites using remotely operated vehicles or manned submersibles. Environmental considerations are crucial. The placement and construction of these stations are carefully planned to avoid harming marine ecosystems. Some stations even include artificial reefs as part of their structure, serving as habitats for fish, corals, and other marine organisms. These stations not only provide scientists with critical data, but also promote the health of the ocean's ecosystems by acting as observation posts and active participants in marine preservation. As technology advances, the future of underwater research stations looks promising. More sophisticated habitats capable of diving deeper and staying submerged longer are in development. Innovations like autonomous underwater stations and mobile research labs could allow scientists to explore previously unreachable depths or track oceanographic changes over vast distances. These advancements are particularly important as we strive to understand climate change and its effects on the ocean.